Now able to see how quickly the virus is spreading through populations of the most vulnerable, seniors who have underlying medical conditions, who live in group settings at long-term care facilities. The state is now posting a list of facilities reporting positive cases and deaths. But the state says even that list doesn't necessarily give us the full picture. John Shearick continues our coverage tonight.
I was scared.
Scared for her father's life. Vernon Sanders, 73 years old, lives at Sadie Mae's Health and Rehab in Northwest Atlanta. And his daughter, Ebony, tells us that since late last month, when she heard that people at the facility had tested positive for COVID-19, administrators would not tell her anything. The facility locked down. She talked with her father on the phone. He didn't think he was infected, but he was worried. No one was telling him anything.
So just not knowing what's going on and just trying to get answers, it's scary.
Then Friday night, Ms. Sanders saw on the news that the governor's office had just started posting a weekly list of long-term care facilities that have COVID-19 infections and deaths among residents and staff. And the list shows that her father's facility, Sadie Mae's, is reporting so far 10 cases there, no deaths. But the statewide list, which shows initially 80 facilities with infected residents or staff, is not necessarily up to date. The state says that's partly because of how long it's taking the facilities to report the cases to the state. Pruitt Health manages Sadie Mae's, and Pruitt lists Sadie Mae's as code red, its highest alert, but does not show any further information about conditions there.
We're taking even more action today.
It was this past Wednesday when Georgia Governor Brian Kemp ordered an additional 1,000 Georgia National Guard members to go into every single long-term care facility in the state to scrub each one down. Georgia's Public Health Commissioner, Dr. Kathleen Toomey, finding many of the facilities are too lax.
There was lack of consistent infection control.
Late Saturday afternoon, Ebony Sanders says she finally got a call from Sadie Mae's. Her father tested negative. Relief, but she says still no one will tell her anything more about what's going on there.
We entrusted our family members in their hands. We put them in their hands to receive the proper care, and that's what we expect.
We're working to reach Sadie Mae's, and so far no one there is responding to us.